You look at growth and different stuff like that, and I think a lot of it is just attributed to just getting better. Because at that point in time, it's not saying, oh, we need to double our workforce. It's saying our workforce got 2 times better. We all got 2 times better, and holy cow, look what we can do. Because at the end of the day, if you're a company and all you do is grow by just adding people, you're really not any better than you were before you had those people. You're just bigger. I want to get better. I want people to get better. That's what makes a place worth coming to work at. If the place that you work has no desire to make you better, only a desire to get bigger, people will leave because they want to get better. Everybody wants to get better. Some more than others, some differently than others, whatever it may be, which is totally fine. Everybody's going to have their own thing. But it's about connecting that own personal thing to the company's mission. And when you can connect those two, then it gets really powerful. Then you start to grow. You see people coming up, you see people passionate, you see people willing to run through that wall for the company because they know that it supports them and their personal goals.